this model, available in August. That's GPT-4. Quite a few months before they released ChatGPT, which was based on GPT-3. So what explains? They spent 8 months on safety research, risk assessment. I talked about this in my GPT-5 video. They had GPT before they released ChatGPT, which was based on GPT-3. This made me reflect. The time taken train GPT-5 probably won't be that long. It's already that they're training it. 110 square GPUs. For this, for 100 billion, it would only take 20. With 8,000 hours versus 7 days with the 100 GPUs. But what am I trying to say? May already be done.
Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more videos like this.